Hello friends, this is our new series called Visual Basic 6 or simply VB6. VB6 is a programming language which is owned by Microsoft, and it is one of the most popular and most widely used programming languages in the history. It is an event-driven programming language, an associated development environment created by Microsoft. As stated earlier, in business programming, it has one of the largest user bases. It is derived heavily from BASIC and enables rapid application development and graphical user interface application. It provides access to databases using DAO, RDO, or ADO, and creation of ActiveX control and objects. He can put together an application using the components and provided with Visual Basic itself. The applications of Visual Basic are gaming, development of phone books, encryption utilities, GUIs, database handling, and much more. With Visual Basic, you can create one of the most sophisticated applications. It is an interpreter based language, that is, compared to compiled languages like C and C++, its execution time is slower. So it is one of the trade-offs, but it really catches up with it. Now, this is the syntax of showing a message box using VB6. This is just for introduction purpose. We will look into the depth in the next tutorial. This is the screenshot of the Visual Basic. When we first open it up, you need to click on Standard EXE, which will launch a new project. Then this is the typical screen of the project. It is like a typical Microsoft product where there is a title bar, a menu bar for creating and opening files. Then there is a Visual Basic specific thing like toolbox. There are a whole bunch of controls which we'll use in our application later on. Then there is a form window, also a project window where project specific stuff is done, and properties and explorer window. So this was the introduction of Visual Basic 6, and we will catch up with the next tutorial. Thank you.